Hello everyone, you're welcome back to today's video. In this video I'm gonna show you how I made this delicious chicken stew. So the first thing I did was to roast the tomatoes. The next thing I did was to season this chicken. So I used quite a number of ingredients when you're seasoning this chicken. Of course, I'll leave everything down in the description box for you guys. After seasoning the chicken, I cooked it for some time before roasting in the oven. In a pot, I added some vegetable oil, which I allowed to heat up gently. After that, I went ahead and added all the chopped onions, which I also fried for about 2 minutes before adding the blended tomatoes. I fried the tomato to my satisfaction before adding the tomato paste, which I also fried for some time. Wow, this looks good. So this is how my tomato was looking before I started adding the curry powder thyme, chicken seasoning powder, bouillon cube, scotch bonnet pepper, and finally I'm adding the tatashi which I blended in the stew, which I also fry for some time before adding the meat stock. I stir the stew after adding the chicken stock, and allow it to come to a boil. And guys, at this point you can adjust your stew with water if you don't have enough chicken stock or enough meat stock. Adding back all the chicken into the stew, which I allow to cook to incorporate the taste of the chicken into the stew. If you're still watching this video up to now and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, share the video, and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.